Shri Matre Namaha, Guru Kataksham, Ambalanugraham Paripurnam. Welcome to my channel, Shakti Awakening with Vidya Prakash. In this channel, I come out with videos on Shakti, Shakti Sadhana, mantras, which will help you to go deeper into Shakti Sadhana. If you are interested to go deeper into Shakti Awakening, I invite you to a free workshop where I have given the details in the description below. You can join and continue your learning journey with me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very powerful stotram which you can chant if you are not able to chant Lalita Sahasranamam. Certain times, maybe when you are not well or you are not in a position to chant Lalita Sahasranamam, you are traveling. In those cases, you can chant this stotram, which is called as Abhirami Stotram. This is a very powerful stotram. Palashruti, I'll be reading the Palashruti. Chanting this stotram will bestow you with longevity, good health, prosperity, wealth, knowledge, and Saumangalitvam. So this is which means it gives abundance in every area of life. This stotram is composed by Abhirami Bhattar. I have done another video on Tatanka Mahima of Ambal. In that, I have given the story of Abhirama Bhattar. For you to understand, I'll be explaining the meaning of each stanza of Abhirami Stotram, but for you to understand the power of Abhirama Bhattar, how he experienced Ambal, where Ambal, by putting her Tatanka, one of the earring is sun and another earring is moon, to save Abhirama Bhattar, Ambal put the Tatanka which converted to a full moon. A day of Amavasya became Paurnami because of Ambal's Tatanka, which happened just in the year 1700 in the place called Tirukkarayur in Tamil Nadu. So I want you to go through that story so that you know, and I'll be giving the link of that video. You can watch it, and after you watch that, and then you come back and understand the meaning, you're going to know how much powerful is Abhirama Bhattar, how he experienced, and how this can help you in your longevity of life. Now, how you have to chant this stotram? You can chant it in the morning as well as in the evening. There is no rules as such that you have to do this way only. As I said, if you are not able to chant Lalita Sahasranamam for some time, for some reason, then you can chant this, which is just 11 stanzas and very simple and easy to chant as well. And it covers various aspects of Lalita Sahasranamam within these 11 stanzas. The first stanza says, Namaste Lalite Devi Srimat Simhasaneshwari Bhaktanam Ishtade Mataha Abhirami Namostute. So this is written on Abhirami. Abhirami is the main deity of Tirukadayur, and this is a place where people do perform their 60th birthday, which is called as Shashtiyapta Purti, Bhimanata Shanti, which is 70th birthday, and 80th birthday, which is called as Sadhabhishekam. In this temple, these three rituals are performed for the longevity of the person. So this is the place for longevity. This is also the kshetra of Markandeya being saved by Lord Shiva, and the Shiva is called as Amrita Ghateshwarar in this temple. And Markandeya was saved when Yama came to take Markandeya. Shiva came in and saved Markandeya. So this is the kshetra, and that is the reason it is also called as Markandeya Kshetra. And that's why if you go and perform Ayushya Homam in this particular temple, you will be bestowed with longevity. Now, if you are not able to go there, chanting this Abhirami Stotram, you will be blessed. And I'll also be giving you one more thing that you need to do. When you're chanting this mantra, you can have kumkumam in your hand and chant this 11 stanzas, and you can apply it. So this way you'll be bestowed with all the prosperity that you are seeking for. If you have health issues, if you have money related issues, if you have relationship related issues, You can chant this 11 stanzas with the kumkumam in your hand and apply it after chanting. You will be bestowed, you will be blessed with Ambal's anugraham. So let us understand the meaning of the first stanza. And Abhirami is none other than Mata Lalitambika herself. So the first shloka which says Namaste Lalite Devi Srimat Simhasaneshwari Bhaktana Mishtade Mataha Abhirami Namostute, which is offering my namaskarams to Lalita Devi, who is the one who is ruling the entire cosmos. And she is none other than Abhirami herself. So I am offering my namaskarams to Abhirami, who is none other than Mata Lalita Ambika. So that is the the meaning of the first stanza. Let us look at the second stanza. Chandrodayam Kritavati Tatankena Maheshwari Ayurdehi Jaganmata Abhirami Namostute. Chandrodayam Kritavati, which means one who created Chandra. Chandrodayam Kritavati Tatankena Maheshwari. So the one who created Chandrodayam using her Tatanka. Ayurdehi Jaganmata Abhirami Namostute. Give me longevity, Amma Jaganmata Abhirami, who is none other than Mata Lalitambika. Here it is mentioned as Ayuhu because if you look at the story that I told, like I want you to go and listen to the story in the video, he will be saved from death. So, which means he has longevity. And not only that, I told you that this kshetram is Markandeya kshetram because Markandeya was also saved. So he was given longevity. So both Markandeya as well as Abhirami Bhattar were given longevity. So likewise, give me longevity, Amma. That is the second stanza. Let us look at the third stanza. Sudha Ghatesha Shrikante Sharanagata Vatsale Arogyam Dehime Nityam Abhirami Namostute. Sudha Ghatesha Shrikante. I told this Lord Shiva in this kshetram is called as Amrita Ghateshwarar. Amrita is Sudha. Ghateshwara is the Lord is Amrita Ghateshwara. So the consort of Amrita Ghateshwara, who is none other than Abhirami, Sharanagata Vatsare. So I am holding on to your feet, Amma. Arogyam Dehime Nityam Abhirami. So give me good health. Abhirami Namost. So here Markandeya and Abhirama Bhattar were given good health and longevity. So likewise, give me good health and longevity. Let us look at the fourth stanza. Kalyani Mangalam Dehi Jagan Mangala Karini Aishwaryam Dehi Me Nityam Abhirami Namostute. So the one who gives all kinds of prosperity, Kalyani, Mangalam Dehi, Jagan Mangala Karini, the entire the universe is prosperous because of her. Aishwaryam Dehime. So give me, bestow me with wealth. Amma Abhirami Namostute. Let us go to the fifth stanza. Chandramandala Madhyaste Mahatripura Sundari Shri Chakra Rajanilaye Abhirami Namostute. Chandramandala Madhyaste. Here she is also Bhan Mandala Madhyaste. But here Abhirama Bhattar calls her as Chandramandala Madhyaste. Why? Because she appeared through her earring. She created the moon. And not only that, the moon and the sun signifies the life. And most importantly, Sri Vidya Upasakas does Paurnami Puja. And that's why I have given that process of performing Paurnami Puja, especially offering puja in the evening in the Paurnami moon is very, very powerful, which is also being given in Lalita Sahasranamam of doing this. If you are not able to chant Lalita Sahasranamam every day, at least on Paurnami you do. That's why I have done a detailed video on Paurnami Puja, how to chant Lalita Sahasranamam, a powerful secret method of chanting Lalita Sahasranamam on Paurnami. I have given the link below in the description. You can go through, perform this puja process every Paurnami and seek Ambal's Anugraham into your life. So that's the reason here Abhirami Bhattar, because he is a great Sri Vidya Upasaka. Chandramandala Madhyaste Mahatripura Sundari, one who is residing in the Chandramandala. Shri Chakra Rajanale Abhirami Namostute. She is the one who is there in the Shri Chakra. Abhirami Namostute. Let us go to the sixth stanza. Rajiva Lochane Purne Purna Chandra Vidhayini Saubhagyam Dehime Nityam Abhirami Namostute. Rajiva Lochane, the long eyes. She has a very long eyes. Again, I have done a detailed video on the eyes of Mata Lalitambika. In Lalita Sahasranamam, there are various instances of explaining Amba's eyes in various ways. Rajiva Lochana, Rajiva also means lotus. So having the eyes are like lotus petal. Now, if you look at lotus, lotus signifies prosperity. That's why if you look at Mata Lakshmi, she is holding lotus in her hand and she is sitting or standing on lotus because that conveys prosperity. So Rajiva Lochane Purna Chandra Vidhaini. Her face is radiant and beautiful like the moon, Purna Chandra, full moon, the Paurnami moon. Saubhagyam Dehime, which means grant me prosperity. Abhirami Namostute. Yeah. So that is the stanza. Now let us go to the next stanza, which says Ganesha Skanda Janani Vedarupe Dhaneshwari Vidyam cha Dehi me Kirtim Abhirami Namostute. Lord Ganesha and Skanda's Mata, you Mata Lalitambika, Mata Abhirami, Vedarupe Dhaneshwari. You are the Vedarupa, which means she is the embodiment of knowledge, the knowledge and wisdom that all are seeking. She is the embodiment of that knowledge and wisdom. And Vidyam cha Dehime Kirtan. If you look at Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya, they, they are being worshipped by millions and millions of people. It's because of her, because she is mother of them, of Ganesha and Skanda. So likewise, even I be granted with all the wisdom and knowledge that I need. Chakirtim, also the fame. Abhirami Namostute. The next stanza. Suvasini Priye Mataha Saumangalya Vivardhini Mangalyam Dehime Nityam Abhirami Namostute. So this is for Mangalya Shakti. So all those women who are watching this video, chanting this mantra will bestow you with Saumangalyatvam. Through you, your family will be prosperous. So chant this mantra and seek Ambal's anugraham. Let us know, go to the next stanza. Markandeya Mahabhakta Subramanya Supujite Rajarajeshwaritvam Abhirami Namostute. Markandeya Mahabhakta. Markandeya as well as Mahabhakta Subramanya has prayed you, has offered your, has worshipped you. So Rajarajeshwari Amma Abhirami Namostute. The 10th line stanza, which says, Sanidhyam Kuru Kalyani Mama Puja Grihe Shubhe Bimbe Deepe Tatha Pushpe Haridra Kumkume Mama. This is the ultimate line which says, Sanidhyam Kuru Kalyani Mama Puja Grihe Shubhe, which means, Amma, have your presence. Sanidhyam Kurume Kalyani, Amma Taye, your presence should be bestow, bless me with your presence in my puja grahe, in my puja room. Bimbe deepe tatha pushpe haridra kunkume mama, which means be present in the bimba. Bimba is, it could be the photo or it could be the vigraham or the meru that you may be having. It's requesting Amma be present in the bimbe, photo, vigraham or murti, in whichever way you are worshipping Amba. Deepe tatha, even in the lamp that you are lighting, as well as pushpe, in the flowers that you are offering as archana. Haridra kunkume tatha mama. Haridra is the turmeric and the kunkumam. So all the auspicious things that we use for puja, for offering puja, you are requesting Ambal to be present, Sanidhyam. When that happens, your house will be filled with prosperity. The last stanza. Abhiramya idam stotram yah patet shakti sannidhau ayurbalam yasho varcho mangalyam cha bhavet sukham. This is a palashruti of chanting this stotram, which means what are the benefits of chanting this stotram? The benefits are Abhirami the stotram. This stotram of Abhirami, who reads, who chants Ayur Balam. the longevity, yasho, fame, virtue, the knowledge, the wisdom, mangalyam, which is mangalam, cha bhavet sukham, and also will be bestowed with happiness, prosperity. Iti Shri Abhirama Bhattar Krita Shri Abhirami Stotram. Now, having said that, even though I mentioned about the Phalashruti, the benefits of chanting Abhirama Stotram, any chanting that you do, the result of your chanting is what you are going to get, that has been mentioned in Phalashruti. Do not chant Stotram that by chanting this I will get this benefit. Yeah, don't chant that way. You will get benefit of these benefits if you chant these stotra. Understand this. That should be your approach. So automatically, when you are chanting, you will be bestowed. Yeah. So that should be your intention of chanting any stotram, be it Lalita Sahasranama, be it this Abhirami stotram. So get benefited by chanting this stotram every single day. I have explained in detail with the meaning. So learn to chant. I have given a PDF format as well, which you can download and chant. With Ambal's Anugraham, you be blessed with all happiness, prosperity, and abundance in your life. Shri Matri Namaha, Guru Kataksham, Ambal Anugraham Paripurna.